Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm very excited. I'm getting 3 trellises ready for new dragon fruit. I bought some soil yesterday, and now I'm gonna prepare that soil. I have I think this is a 20 mil cart that I'm gonna spread out. I'm gonna dump my soil, mix the soil, and get these pots ready to get some dragon fruits in them. It's just been a project that's kind of been put off due to other things happening. So now I have the opportunity to do it. So I'm just gonna knock it out. All right, peace. Like I'm done for the day. I don't have enough space to fit the green, so we're just gonna go with the red and the yellow. I've decided that some of these I'm not gonna put in there. I'm just gonna try to get some different varieties outside of these right here. So I'll figure out what to do with these later. But this is what it looks like, guys. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Juice and Mache, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.